Recording?
Yep.
Boom.
Yeah, windshield wipers, that'll work.
It certainly helped.
Alrighty, cool. Okay, go ahead, hearing and eye protection on, guys.
Yep.
Sure.
Another way to survive in zombie land, travel light.
May go get the firearms. Somebody,
Luggage.
one of you guys just go and pick up the spray, and we'll get
I
started.
avoided other people like they were zombies even before they were zombies. Now that they are all zombies, I know me. So I'm on my way to my college dorm in Columbus, Ohio, where I'm hoping my parents will still alive. Even though we were never really close, it'd be nice to see if they're ever safe. Or any place that doesn't have blood dripping from its teeth.
All right, gentlemen, get it rock. Let's do it.
Following.
Indeed.
Come on. Whoop.
Leave the RPG on the
Put that over here, man. Couch on this side. Come on in. Captain, hold it. Oh, ready?
Sorry?
All right, cool. All right,
Yeah.
we're gonna get you put the zombie package right down over
This is
here.
Cam.
Right out. Okay. Give me a target. We're gonna shoot this one right here. You got the kill shot. Oh, got the coalition package. Here, give me a target. All right, cool. All right, now you guys want to do videos and stuff like that for like you got.
It's already going.
Now, for you, if you want him to take a video, cool place to be like from right back over here.
Okay.
Just go right behind the shooter.
Yep.
And behind me here.
Understood.
So that way you can get the shooter and the target. All right, shooter, come on down over here. You're left-handed, you're right-handed.
Right.
Right-handed? Okay, good. Let me show you. Okay. I hated zombie movies, man. No, when I was back in Iraq, dude, I don't know, I just like, when I was watching like 28 weeks or 28 days, whatever it was, man, and all the other zombie movies, this stuff right here, I could not sleep. I would have absolutely horrible nightmares.
Yeah.
See, real stuff don't bother me, man, as long as it's not ugly.
Yeah.
It's hard, man. Don't worry about it. Yeah, so that thing doesn't bother me, but it's like most of their films are about like action and adventure and laughter. Okay, now this is right here. Now, what it is, you want to hold it right there with your left hand, right hand here, finger off trigger.
Right.
Put it into your shoulder.
Right.
With your nose, you look right through the small peephole, look to that post, put it on the target. Now, what you want to do is you want to fire a short burst.
Right.
Because this one right here goes about 1,100 rounds per minute.
Yep.
Like that. You can empty this thing here within about 3 to 4 bursts. Get more guns, so just try to keep it short so that way you have better control of the weapon.
Right.
Now, left foot forward, lean into it, stand your ground, don't move.
Yep.
Take your time. All right, when I have, make sure you have your...
Right.
Okay, now. Okay, go ahead. Now, get a good clear sight picture. Ready? Fire. A little bit higher. Oh, malfunction. That'll be clear. All right, go ahead. Continue. Outstanding, good. Let me replace your magazine. All right, shooter, hold on to that. Go ahead, continue, sir. Malfunction? Continue to fire. Nice. Shoot the last one, make it really right. Cool. Excellent. All right, nice. Oh, look, man, check it out.
Oh,
You only got one flyer, man. You only got one flyer. All your stuff, all into the target right there. There you go. Cool. Nice. Nice job.
Ain't
Yeah,
all
so
pays
you're gonna have a
off.
hard time getting action.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can't walk. You've got to crawl along. There you go. Cool. All right, nice. All right, now.
These are your other two, right?
Okay, let me put this in the way. I'll grab the next fire round. We'll get rolling through.
Absolutely.
No problem.
All righty. Yeah.
Video's going to be great. How are the nerves now? Slowly getting there. By the end of the day, I'll be
Like
like,
at the end of the day yesterday, it was like,
yeah.
it's like I just drove about $1 million worth of cars.
Compare that to this video after. You actually managed to hit him in the head with one of your shells that flew out of your gun. It like bounced off and hit him in the head. He was like, "Ah, it's hard." Yeah.
I don't do these things on purpose.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta save the one for last, right?
Yeah, shoot the Nazi guy. brain.
Who's got the suppressor package?
Yep.
Right there. Oh boy, who's got the target?
Oh, yeah.
Someone shoot at.
All right. Andrew, Levi, Alicia, Kyle, and Simon, get over here.
Oh, nice. It says the gun store on it.
Yep. Now we gotta go get trained.
Yeah. U.S. Target Incorporated. This is U.S. Target Incorporated. We do the gun store with the M1 carbine.
All right, anyway. Right hand, except for my lefty mirror, okay? If you want me to repeat it later, I can't do it. Right hand, left hand, okay? You press your cheek on the side, you want to look at the scope. If your face is too close, too far, you won't be able to see. Right in the center, all right?
Alrighty.
Left, right.
Same gun there shooting right there.
You would do one with this one.
Okay, target please.
Go.
All right, now right-handed, left-handed.
I'm right-handed.
Cool. Now.
Every time you're looking the next bullet, the gun will not stand here for you, okay? Use that 10
Bend down at knees, you pull it right towards shoulder.
Alright, who's my first volunteer with the real lead?
All right, after every shot, you're going to reload it. Okay, you got two magazines on this one right down over here. Now, this is the MP40 submachine gun. Bang. Up, back, going down.
Fire someone open, bolt like this.
Back, going down. Bang. Like that.
Place your thumb and your left hand, fingers right there, just like this. Just cradle the rifle. Cradle the submachine gun. Put it up to your shoulder like this. Lean forward and aim through the back sight there. You have the front sight there. When you're ready to fire, pull the trigger hard.
Yeah.
Let that sucker slam forward. Now, let the gun cycle approximately about like 5 to about 7 rounds. Go. It goes pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. Just like that. make it cycle smoothly. Try not to pulse the trigger. It interferes with the cycle itself.
Yeah.
So just pull it. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Take your time.
Sounds good.
All right, now. Can I hand it to you? Just make sure you have the finger off the trigger.
Yep.
Right now. Go ahead, cradle the MP40. Good. All right, index trigger finger. Right now. This one right here goes right into the pocket right there. Now, left foot forward, right foot back, lean forward. All right, good. Not yet, not yet, not yet. All right, now, just good side picture, okay? Got a good side picture? Now, pull back straight so that way the stock goes rigid.
Okay.
Magazine is in. All right, ready. Go ahead and give me a burst. Lean into it. Lean into it. Don't let it bounce. Just lean into it. Stand your ground. Don't. Okay.
Malfunction.
Now remember, don't lean back.
Okay.
Stand your ground and move.
Yep.
Think of it this way, like you're pushing your mother-in-law off the 33rd floor. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't hesitate.
Yeah.
I don't hesitate, man.
Understood.
All right, cool. All right, now hold on to the gun. Okay, now.
Yep.
All right, pull straight back. All right, and fire.
Empty.
Malfunction?
And malfunction or empty.
Big difference in sound, huh? Reload it.
Sometimes it does this. Older guns,
Yeah, yeah.
it happens to them. But if this one right here was brand new, man, these things right here are just awesome.
Yeah, feels
Pop the
great.
last round. Yeah, they do, man. They're great. Good. Flat. Background. I'm going to have to put that one to your pistol.
No problem.
Ooh, there we go. Shoot it. Okay, let's keep it level there. And bam. Nice.
You got a
Good.
big old scope in there, magnified. I can't see that thing. Straight back. You don't want the gun to move. Just your finger. That gun steady the whole way through. Get it back. Let's put 5 more hands for you.
All right, cool. Now, it does have a pattern like that. Not really, though, but, you
Yeah,
know.
not very good, but
This is only the first time that.
yeah.
Okay, now. Okay, Eugene, give me a target. No, let's see here. Tim,
Yep.
give me a target. We're going to shoot your XD 9mm. Oh, cool. I got my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Hans?
Hans and Han?
That's my brother-in-law's name. Is Hans. This is my first ex-wife. Okay, now this one right here, this is the XD 9mm pistol.
Right.
All right, cool. 2 magazines with this one right here.
Check them out up close.
Yeah, in this country, where you guys from?
Canada.
In this country, we're screwed.
Yep.
When the last time, what happened was when the president announced he was going to ban semi-autos and stuff like that. Dude, 9mm was gone off the shelf in a matter of days and weeks. So it's like lucky, thank God I had my own stash.
Yep.
Imagine if the freaking zombie apocalypse happened the next day. I'd be really screwed.
You can only take them out by hitting them.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got no problem, man. Our next door neighbor, yeah, he's got a John Deere tractor. Okay, let's blow some blades and just cruise around the neighborhood.
Now you just got to get them all.
Yeah, it's like, hey, all right, shotgun, man. Blam! We'll get back to that one.
Literally shotgun.
Evil
Yeah.
Dead and put the mold.
Yeah. Golden stick.
Yep.
Right now, this one right down over here.
Yep.
Line up the 3 down.
Yep.
One up. All the way back until it stops and gently brake. So that way, let's say I'm lining up the 3 dots, I'm keeping this steady.
Right.
And nice and smooth on the trigger. Take the shot, keep it right first.
Okay.
All
Alright.
Take one of the black ones.
And put it down to the front.
The difference
Okay, now,
is, the
right
pink
now.
one's got the
Yep.
laser sight.
Yep, like that. All right, now.
Go right there.
Okay, arms out straight. Okay, good. Move forward a little bit, up to the table.
Okay.
There you go, cool. All right, now. On it. Straight back and break gently.
Want to do this one? All right.
Top.
Target. I'm going to wait your target. What's that? Clown. Yeah, number 10. I know him. I'll show you some secret stuff. I'll be right back.
There you go. Take your dots on him and squeeze. Good. Then reload. Okay. Pop. Next one in. And ready to go. Both hands on him. Okay. All the way back. And squeeze.
Then each thorough. He wants to take it seriously, you know, on the ball.
Okay, malfunction. Usually if something happens like that, it's this right here. Magazine just pops. Tap. And you're ready to go. Cool. Hunt is done.
Well.
Good shooting. Good.
Bye-bye, hon.
All right, sign me up for the apocalypse.
There you go. We got actually a shop down here. It's on Spring Mountain. Just right up this road there from Island. It's like a zombie shop.
Yeah.
Kinds of survival gear, machetes and shit. But they don't have
Get that
handguns
back.
or anything like that.
Yeah, you're going to have to tell us the address before we go.
Oh, cool. All
Not
right.
like we're able to actually bring anything back.
Yeah.
No. It's just, all it is just, they got like zombie posters. They got the stuff on there like what to do in case of a zombie attack. Where it has the biohazard thing, signs on there.
Right.
All right, cool. The next one we're going to shoot is your wall. Right, give me your target.
Yep.
Ah, cool. My favorite, Zombie the Burglar. Oh, no, it's the Burglar.
Start back here. Set an angle to the counter. Right hand here. Look like a pistol. Left hand up front.
Okay, he puts the standing up.
I want you to put your elbow down on the table, okay? Your left elbow down on the table. Take on the shoulder. Put the elbow. Take that little laser dot. Put it on the target somewhere. Use the trigger. Bang. What? Semi-auto.
Okay, now this one right here is a nice little classic, very good pistol. I've got one myself too. This is the new. This is right here is a post-war production gun, made in January 1977, which is made by Walter, semi-auto, 9mm pistol. Okay, now you have a total of 4 magazines on this, 5 rounds in each mag.
Yep.
Very good. Lock open. Magazine in. Loaded. There you go. Hold on to the gun. Now, like this. All right, now, both hands on the pistol. Now, arms out. Okay, move forward just a little bit. No, up to the table. Okay, now, line up the to the target. And then go ahead straight back on the trigger. Okay, cool. Now let me reload. Okay,
That's a lot more tough to control.
What's that?
It's tough to control because it's a bit
No,
older, I guess.
not really. This is the best way. Put both arms out.
Okay.
Now lean forward and then gently on the trigger. There you go.
Oh my goodness, you got one free tool hanger there. Oh, that was painful.
Okay, cool. See, if you have both your arms out, you have better control of the firearm itself.
Okay.
Just like that. Okay, both hands on the firearm. Okay, there you go. Arms out straight. Arms out straight. Okay, and gently. There you go. Just bring your trigger straight. Okay, all right, one more time. Okay, hold on to the firearm. Both hands. Arms out. Cool, all right. So that's the walkthrough right there.
I like it.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good for learning how to shoot and practicing.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. I bought one of these for $225.
Hey, one of our friends back in Canada's got one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Like I said, they're pretty fun, stuff like that. The cool thing about it was they were like the favorite secret agent gun back in the 1970s. No, 1960s.
Mm-hmm.
All those programs, they show the Walter a lot. All right, cool. You good?
Well, if it's pass or fail, I'll do that.
Usually,
You got 1, 2, 3, 4.
down over here,
6
normally,
misses.
you shoot center mass.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Always. Headshot, avoid them always.
Okay.
Because the head moves around
Yeah.
a lot more. So you go for the big hit of the mall, so you'll be able to hit them. All right, cool.
Put them down.
All right,
Yeah,
there.
6 out of 20.
Right
6 out of 20 went out. So 14 out of 20 in.
Now we got the suppressed machine gun. You'll be surprised how quiet this one is too. This one's super quiet for a machine gun. We're shooting 45 caliber bullets. Big old 45 round. This thing is surprisingly quiet.
Okay, I'll be right
This
back.
first one down, I
Absolutely.
heard the guy over here shooting it. What the hell are you shooting over there? Oh, this is one of the grease gun out. That was grease. I'm like, really? Press rather.
You got your next target?
Another one of these two. I'm just basically folding them and putting them under there.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I got
my
mine.
2 elastics. So when we're done, we'll just...
The what?
I have the 2 elastics, so when we're done, we'll just wrap them all up. And
Alright,
Okay.
same right about
we're
here.
out.
Tap that now. You go forward, hit that. We're going to shoot at our target. Shoot the same way I had them shoot the machine gun. 4 or 5 at a time, 5 or 6 at a time. Yeah, this one's shooting a lot slower than 11 machine gun. Maybe not super lot slower, but right, left, tight to the shoulder, lean forward, okay? Yeah. Look at the front heavy. Keep it tight to the shoulder, keep it jerky, keep your elbow down and slide. Now you put the front ankle. This is tight. Yeah, that's actually a common shot.
Shot the girl right in the crotch.
Who do they shoot? The guy or the girl in the crowd?
Start off. Alright? 25, 50 total.
And yet he taken me spoken. I swear he had a practice this thing because it was a near perfect. The sniper rifle. This guy's bigger brother. I'm going to shoot her in the very impolite word for down there. No. Yeah, no, where's the back? Yeah. I don't know how he
No, that is quiet.
that phrase, but he said it perfect.
Be quiet, I can't hear it.
Is that the greaser gun?
Hold her now. You have to hold that trigger down, alright? automatic cold pistol. 45 oil.
The ultimate zombie zapper. Go ahead, give me a target, please.
That I can do.
Now, this one right here is the best of them all to have around. Because you have the ACOG scope on it.
Yep.
Lots and lots of bullets.
Yay.
Yeah. That's one thing I didn't finish too. I stockpiled at about 7,000 rounds of 5.6.
Yep. Sounds about right.
Yep. So when the other people get, can you help us? Hurry!
Well, it depends. That's a nice daughter you have there.
It's like this, man. If you've been married twice, don't keep them for long.
Yep.
Zombie food! You said what?
I have no idea how that happened.
Oh, gee. Hey, how did this catapult get here all of a sudden?
Everybody knock them as they're silent.
Now, the coolest place I would like to be holed up at the Stratosphere.
Yep. Yeah, that's where we're staying.
Hold up at the Stratosphere, cut off the elevators. You got your own running water up and down.
Yep.
And you got all your food and everything else up there. You got your own helicopter, everything. And they're all down there. They can't get in. There you go. Then I put it in the car too. It goes what, from here, up and down.
Yep.
Okay, now, you come scope, put it on target, squeeze the trigger, take your time.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Ready.
And I think the candy should be good.
Okay, cool, right there, or if you want to hold it, right there. Okay, go.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Right hand there. I think you're asking for your change back. Throw it on top.
There you go, cool. Make yourself comfortable. And squeeze the
Just
trigger.
like that M4 holographic sight, same type of sight. No, I'm just brightening it up for you guys. As bright as I can make it. Ignore the iron sight, okay? Right hand. Again, like you're asking for your change back. Left hand here. Right hand here. Lean in. Please, Lord. Get him right. Target and shoot first. Kind of like he is. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Go for the 4 to 5 range. I recommend the 5, 5-6 range.
Whoop. Yeah,
Just
you
get
gotta get
first.
hot.
This one though, we can do something special with. Halfway through, just tap you twice on the shoulder like so. Your signal, full auto. Do not stop. Just don't let go. You're go friggin' nuts with it, alright? Because the barrels change out, we can full auto on that some of it the way. We can't go all. Still not good. M249 squad automatic. Standard light machine gun, U.S. military. Variant of the gun made in Belgium. They company, they make guns, militaries all over the world.
Alrighty. Oh, got a malfunction.
The two they just modified it.
Kind of like you there. Pop it right back in.
A couple other different pieces.
And shoot it.
We get so few of them in. But you guys ready? Alright, who's my first ball?
Beautiful.
Alright.
That's it? Yeah, these things here are so simple to use.
Yeah.
You guys feel free to take videos of these ones if you haven't been yet.
Yeah, you got zombie on there.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, I almost had it up his nose. Trying to shoot across his nose. Yeah, good shooting text. Shit. Huh?
When did they stop using it?
Alrighty.
I know for a fact the Army kept using the tankers and stuff over the 60s.
Can you put this in away?
He kept using the Thompsons for Vietnam. But the grease gun, I don't remember. Because I had a customer in the 60s. He shot the grease guns because he used to carry it. He used the tanker. I don't remember how to look it up.
Sorry.
What did I do with that?
Yeah.
Hey, Alan!
Bringing out my favorite weapon.
When did the Army stop using the grease gun?
PM1.
1995?
95. They even...
Yeah.
Still
They're
around
issued,
long,
these guys are issued to
Oh, that's awesome.
anchors in the
Yeah. The grease
up
gun.
until 1995.
That was my second choice to the MP40.
I knew it was like the 80s or something, but yeah, he used it for a long time. It really did good, but it worked.
Oh, I love the grease gun.
Yeah.
Instant satisfaction.
This one want to try and take it right in. It's not that powerful, just lean into it, okay? That's in there, right in right there. And that's why it's dance and throw your body into it, okay? You'll have to keep it accurate. If you need, I'll push you on this side. Right? Oh, yeah. Save the world from the ocean. Pull out. That is how you do it. That was technical. Thank you.
To help Brandon. No, he's done. Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
I'm going on lunch. You gotta pretty much go to that phone day. The saw there.
I'm shorted a saw belt.
Oh, you can saw belt.
I'll get you one.
That is damn good.
Pick out his butt tag.
I mean,
Oh, yeah.
This is all I came here to do.
so I won't complain about that. That's good. Very good. And
Okay,
then you
listen
guys
right down
have
over
the,
here.
reason to
Shoot from this position right here, the pass.
Right? I'm just going to point it
Use the table.
Yep.
Put it on the target, and then squeeze the trigger.
That you said it's a number, right?
One shot at a time.
Yeah.
Remember, don't pull it. Squeeze it.
Okay.
Take your time. Very, very accurate rifle.
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead, give me a target. Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, believe it or not, the M1 Garand was actually invented by a Canadian.
Yeah.
John Garand. John Garand. Beautiful gun.
Push into it, lean into it, not the other way around. Right? It'll help you with your accuracy.
Ready to go. Whoa. Safety's on. Okay, go ahead, make yourself comfortable. Okay, move up there. Hold on. Put it into the pocket of your shoulder a little bit more. There we go, good. Now kind of like bring this elbow down a little bit.
Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, now if you have to, shift this off to the side there and bring this elbow down. Here, what you want to do is you want to have 2 points of contact with it just like this. Right on the rifle.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. So that way you have stability. Okay, got it?
Yep.
All right, now finger up trigger.
Mm-hmm.
All right, safety's off. I'm getting the hell out of the way here. All right, now go ahead and squeeze the trigger. Stand by. Go ahead and squeeze. There you go. Ooh, shit. Now that was the infamous M1 King.
Yep.
Uh-oh, now you're out of ammo.
And you just reload. No, you just reload. Usually if it's the original 30-06, an average soldier will take about 2 seconds to reload this. See? That's why in your sling, you have a spare clip right up front, right here. So it goes, ping! Pop, 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 pop. Now, this one right here has an average rate of fire of 48 rounds per minute.
That's fast.
Yep. I can do 56.
Nice.
There you go. Now that's one of the reasons why the M1 Garand was good. Because if you shot your enemies like this,
Yeah.
they wouldn't be sneaking up on you.
That's a
That's
beautiful
why the
rifle,
Germans,
yeah.
Well, the United States was the only nation in World War II where a major power has adopted the semi-auto rifle as its standard infantry, its standard issue for its infantry. While everybody else in the Commonwealth, in England, they were using Lee Enfield bolt action.
Yeah.
The Germans were using bolt action. The French were using bolt action. The Japanese were using bolt action. But the Americans were the only ones with semi-automatic. Except for the Russians, they had the Sakharov SBT, but that was a POS. There you go.
I'm happy.
You can do that up to 100 yards, man.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. You see, the standard for an M1 Garand to be accepted, it had to shoot 4 inches. 4.
Wow.
Now, if it shot beyond that, the rifle was unacceptable for service. So they had to get it fixed before it got before it was accepted. But most of M1 Garand will shoot at 3 or 2.5 inches.
Wow.
Yeah.
I want.
All right, cool. Now, I'm gonna get the bell. Can you get the gun for me,
Absolutely.
please? Thank you, thank you. All right, cool. Now, I'll be right back with the shotgun. Would you like a semi-auto or a pump?
Whatever you feel.
What do you like?
I can go with the semi-auto.
Okay, go for it.
All right. Can I have my rubber band? Just one.
Still fine.
Yeah, so the toughest one was definitely the P38.
Huh?
The toughest one for me was the pistol. But yeah, I've also never shot like a pistol. It's amazing. I've been to like 5-6 gun ranges. I've never shot a pistol. This was the first time. I only ever shot like rifles.
I mean, I just need to be part of the
Rifles and
club and I
shotguns.
can start the collection.
Yeah. Yeah. Just don't have the money for this another expensive habit.
Either this or paintball.
Yeah, exactly.
I have more fun shooting people with paintball.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe in the future I'll get a license and get a small pistol to
I
practice
mean,
with.
even
But
if you were to get it, and that way if somebody has to, like, gift it or grandfather, no problem.
the only reason I would want a license is to have the... She's still going good?
Okay, now this one right down over here, it's got the 3-dot sight system, 2 dots here,
Yep.
1 dot up front.
Right?
Left, right,
What did you guys think?
and forward, and then
Well, folks,
squeeze the trigger.
is anything else that can interest you guys in? Or you think you're kind of out of your field? Good? No, good job.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's what we want. Alright, when you guys are ready, have all your stuff together, I'll walk you out. If you want your target, by all means, be yours to keep it, not be a scratch pin, burn, the how you want to roll them, spread them all away. Make sure not to have any bullets in your purse. Fell in there.
What's that?
And make sure not to have any bullets in your purse or in your pocket.
Oh yeah, they kind of get upset with that one
At
right
the
there.
airport, yeah.
That's why when I travel to Florida, I bring my guns with me. I keep them inside my baggage, along with my firearm. I'll let them know, hey, I got a gun here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Go to Florida, get to my rental car, take it out, load it, put it in my holster, and drive.
Nobody's screwing with me now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's one of the freedoms about, or that's one of the cool things about certain states where I can bring my firearms. All right, in,
Don't forget that
and then squeeze the trigger. Yeah, whoa! Yeah!
Blow his fucking head off.
Cool. All right.
Well, you blew her head off.
Yeah, well. Somebody had to do it.
Cool. All right.
Gave her a little haircut.
No, you actually fucking, look at that. Another gone, man.
Yeah, half of her head is missing now.
Oh, that was perfect.
Yeah, so
Everything
it's
above the
left
jaw.
on one side. There you go, cool.
Thank you.
All right, cool. All right, now, that zombie place. Where are you guys staying at over here?
Stratosphere.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, if you can let us know where that zombie store is, we'd love to check it out.
Yeah.
So this is yours, and then Hans, yeah.
Huh?
And Hans.
And then there's the one folder.
Yeah,
That one.
that's not yours. Or is it? Yeah, it is. Oh, you got 4, okay. Thought you had 3.
Let me just borrow this for a moment.
Absolutely. So what's that pile of at the end? Is that just old shells?
That's ground up rubber tires.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now, it's like, you can't really miss it.
Right.
Okay, this is the stratosphere right here. That's north. That's that way.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what you want to do is you want to look for Treasure Island,
Right.
the TI, and then there's a shopping mall. You cross over the bridge on
Yeah.
Spring Mountain.
Across the highway there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on I-15. At the very bottom of the I-15, on the right-hand side, you're going to see a porno shop. Right behind the porno shop there is the zombie apocalypse store.
Okay.
And so
Is that what it's
that's
called?
where they're at right there.
Okay.
So that's where it's that's where it's at. Stratosphere's here.
Yeah, we're just going to turn at the treasure
Right.
island across there.
Mhm.
Okay.
Just go right across the bridge there. At the very bottom, right-hand side, behind the porno store, is the zombie apocalypse store.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right, cool. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves here.
Absolutely.
Always fun.
Yeah.
Love this place, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
What other
love
place do you get to go
Yeah.
to work and put your
Okay.
guns on?
Oh yeah, I mean it's
Just got concerned about your hearing all day.
Guns, no badge? Awesome.
no, yeah. I've been doing this for years.
Yeah.
I mean, every year I get a hearing test. What's